SciSpace had just dropped their February updates, and it's a total game changer for how we handle literature review. If you are not familiar with SciSpace, it is an all-in-one AI platform that handles everything from discovery of papers to doing literature review to writing of research paper, research articles, conferences, even project thesis. You can actually use it with adequate citations and proper arrangement or management of documents. If you've been following, I have made some series of tutorials about the recent updates in SciSpace AI Agent, especially with the advent of the literature review, finding topics, the use of the biomedical agent to generate images for your research paper, research articles, and so on. So today we are going to look at two very major updates. We'll explore the multi-PDF agent, where you can now upload up to 10 documents and get answers with citations directly from SciSpace AI Agent. These citations linked directly to the exact page in the PDF documents. So then secondly, I'm going to show you the new Mendeley integration, because now you can synchronize your folders in real time, so you never have to manually upload a file again within SciSpace and Mendeley. You can synchronize both of them to work together. This is a 2026 research workflow that you should pay attention to. SciSpace is creating a lot of changes in the research world. So let's start by learning how to access SciSpace AI. You can come to scispace.com, of course, and then you can log in with your account and you'll be brought in over here. Now, the first thing you need to notice is that you can see earlier on we've discussed about the integration with Zotero. Now you can integrate or connect with the Mendeley. So you can just go ahead, click on this, or you can see the now we can see the applications that you can connect directly, including the OneDrive, even Google Drive. You should be able to connect them. So to connect your Mendeley, you can just go ahead, click on connect, and it's very easy. You can just follow the step-by-step process to log in with your Mendeley account, and you can just select it and we say connect account, and right away you can see you've just connected your own account. So the first case that we're going to look at today is how to use the multi-PDF AI agent of the SciSpace, which is going to enable us to upload up to 10 different PDF files and then ask direct questions related to them in this regards. So we're going to come over to the plus sign over here, and then we can go to straight to upload files, and then we can come over here. These are some of our project students, and I want to upload their files, and we can just come. There are about 10 of them. So once we upload all of them, we can easily come in here and give a very simple and direct prompt. So the prompt that I want to give is, can you give me a quick summary of all the papers attached in here and specify what they are for? Okay, so these are project theses of different students. So once you finish the upload, I can just go ahead and click on enter to start the analysis. Now, as you can see, it has analyzed all the papers, and that's analyzed. You can see the procedure: analyze the 10 PDFs to extract the requested information about each paper. Let me process them in parallel for efficiency. So it has processed all of them. You can see different papers. Great. Now out of the 10 PDFs were successfully processed. One of this guy failed, so I will handle that separately, and it handled this separately, and then it has succeeded. Perfect. I've analyzed 9 out of 10, and see, it has now analyzed, but it couldn't analyze this one. But if you want to, you can give more prompts, and then maybe possibly you can re-upload the paper and you can have it analyzed. These are the results that we've got from that. We can click on this to see the generated answer, and this is what we have: 9 PDF overview of research documents. You can see for each paper it has given us the title, the main research topic, and then the primary purpose of the paper and the key methodology covered and document type. This is a progress seminar in PhD. Now, what we notice, and the most important part of all this, is the referencing that it has added. And as you hover over any of the reference, you see the snippets of that particular reference, and you can easily come in here and locate it in that particular PDF. So once you click in here, it is going to go straight to that PDF and fetch in that particular point where it picked in the information that it referenced on that particular document. So this particular one was taken from this page 6 or page 5 of the document. Here you can see it has highlighted. This is a section that it has taken. So you're free to check in on any of the references that it has showcased. Even this one, you can just click and it is going to give you exactly where it has picked in that reference from this particular document. So you can see it directly. So this is the first case, the use of multi-PDF agent within SciSpace, ability to upload more than up to 10 PDF files and have them adequately analyzed, or you can ask direct questions from them. You can ask follow-up questions if you're interested by just going over here. You can ask specific questions about the paper. So if you plan to add follow-up questions, for example, I can say in Ashu's paper, can you explain figure 3 with this title? Variation of erosion rates of lateritic soil cementation reagent extra with bacillus pamilus suspension density. So I'm just going to hit on enter to this and let's see what this is going to come up with now, whether it's going to truly go through the PDF document and analyze it for us. I'll extract and explain figure 3 from Ashu's paper, which shows the variation of erosion rates with bacillus pamilus. And as you can see, it has captured directly from Ashu's paper analysis of erosion rates in biotreated lateritic soil. So this is the data series, trends and patterns observed, significance of the trend for soil stabilization, optimal values and critical points. We can see this is actually pinpointed from that particular document, and if you want, you can navigate the reference points to be able to go exactly and check from within the document how it's able to reference all of this and get this batch information. Now the second use case is on link our Mendeley accounts to this SciSpace AI agent, which means we can browse and access our documents or research papers directly on Mendeley. Of course, you have to be logged into your Mendeley account for you to be able to carry out this process. And then I can see the connect feature over here if I have not connected. So this will enable you to connect your Mendeley library to access and research your papers directly. I'm on my library over here and I have this paper that I can just copy. All right, directly I can copy the link. So let's say I copy the details of that paper. I can just go ahead and ask SciSpace, can you summarize the content of this paper? And I can pull the title in my Mendeley accounts library. All right, so let's say include 5 major findings for it. All right, so let's go ahead and hit on enter to this and let's see what this is actually going to do. The key thing is it is going to browse through my Mendeley account and fish out that paper and summarize it and then give me the key findings from that paper. And as you can see, it has found the paper. And as you can see right now, it says I will help you to download the PDF. You can see perfect, I found it. Now I'll download it, and then it has downloaded it perfectly, analyzed the paper, and this is my summary. So this is a summary: yield efficiency of double slope solar stills, and you can see the methodology, the major findings. You can come down here and see the key findings from the paper directly. These are the paper content that we'll have found. Now, if you click in here as well, you'll be able to be taken to the exact place where some of these informations were gotten from that particular paper. So from the references, as you hover over them, we'll be able to see directly in that paper where these were picked. So it is very, very easy to link your Mendeley account and have it used within the SciSpace AI agent. So this concludes this simple tutorial about the 2 most latest updates in SciSpace in this February, which is the incorporation of the multi-PDF analysis as well as the linking of Mendeley account in your SciSpace AI agent. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.